Hey guys, Alicia here. I'm going to go ahead and do another video on business cards. Now, I did some research on Etsy yesterday, and I am finding that business cards are also great sellers, just like logos. And a lot of people are also offering to have those printed. Now, you can include things on your listings, like the fonts that you offer and colors, and you can put all the information in there. So it's up to you. There are places that you can have your business cards actually drop shipped so that it looks like it's coming from your company and not someone else. But you can also offer it as an instant download, or not an instant download, but you can offer to modify that with their business information and make the business card. So today we're just going to do a black and copper business card, and I'm just going to use my name, and today I'm a real estate agent, so we're just using these as as examples so that I can show you how to do it. Also, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos just like this one. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so I also did some research on the best print size and, to get your 300 DPI. And the best size in pixels is going to be 1050 by 600 in pixels. So we're going to click here to New. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and enter 1050 by 600 in pixels, and we're going to click Create. And this is a standard business card. This is your 3.5 in width and 2 inches in height. Okay, so now that I did that, just to show you, I'm going to go back 1050 by 600, and then we need to change the color to black. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and save this. To my desktop. Okay, now we're going to click New, and what we need to do at this point is we're going to type our text. So I'm just going to click a new template, and I'm just going to make a little template here, just enough for us to work with. Okay, and we're going to add some text. And I'm just going to put my name. And we want to also change the fonts of these. Okay, and so that you do not have to sit through me going through and picking out a font, you just go over here to local, and any fonts that you have uploaded, they're going to show up over here where it says local. So I will pause it while I change the fonts of these. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and choose my paper. Now, I picked out my fonts that I would like. So we are putting a name, and we're putting real estate agent. And I put real estate agent in something just more script, so that it looks professional. And I think this is going to look really classy with the black and the copper. Okay, so I need to take this beautiful copper paper that's really shiny, and I'm going to completely cover this text. And the reason I'm making it so big is that if you want to move things around a little bit, if you don't like when we click lighten, how that looks, you can actually move this around a little bit to get it however you want to do. Okay, so I really do like this. I'm going to go ahead and export this to the editor, and I'm going to crop it down. Okay, and I'm going to save this to my computer. Okay, now we're going to hop over to Lunapic, and we are going to take out the background of this, and now you can see how shiny this is looking. Okay, and then we are going to save this image as a PNG. If you are new to my channel, anytime you save this as a PNG, it throws it down here into the bottom left-hand corner. And when you click up here, you can save this as a PNG file. And what that does is it makes the background transparent so that you can drag it over onto, you know, something that does have color on it. And it's saving a copy. Okay, so now I'm going to hop back over to iPicky, and I'm actually going to upload those two images, and I'm going to show you how they work together. And we need to make sure that we're doing the PNG version. Okay, so we're going to click here and we're going to click to edit. Now this is our business card, our standard size, and then we're going to click on this layering tool, and this is where we are going to upload and drag this information over here, and as you can tell, it is a transparent background. And I just think that this looks really classy. You can kind of move it kind of like this if you want, however you want to do this. So that is how simple that is to do. Once again, I did a lot of research on business cards last night on Etsy, and some people are offering just to, you know, where you email them the information and they give you, you know, font choices, they give you color choices and things like that. And also another thing they're offering is up to 2 edits, you know, but I would say that I would offer at least 3 edits until you get it right. So if you email them back the business card and they don't like it for whatever reason, then you can re-edit that and send it back to them and keep working with them until they are happy. And then they can either print that out themselves, or if you would like, you can actually send it off and offer printing services as well. I know that there are several places that you can sign up for, and you do have to already have like a website in your Etsy store going in order to do that. So it's probably better to start out with, you know, just offering to put the name on there for them, and also, you know, to email it back to them quickly. At that point, you can sign up for one of these business card drop shipping sites, and you can actually even offer to just have it printed, and they will send them several, like, 500 business cards. And you can usually purchase those for like $9.99, and I am seeing people on Etsy charging, $45 and $55 for a set of 500 business cards. So I really don't understand that. So there's your competition right there. You could lower the price a little bit. I hope this video was helpful to you. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If I seemed a little bit stuttery today, I'm kind of upset. I woke up this morning and I somehow lost 6 subscribers last night on my YouTube channel between the hours of 3 a.m. and 6 a.m. this morning. So I don't know how that was. I was almost at 500 subscribers and I was just a little bit upset over that. So anyway, picked myself up by the bootstraps. I'm back at it. I'm making another video. Hope this was helpful, and everyone have a great day.